On all the boards except for the lamp board, you just replace that?
Well, that was a clip from, I'm doing a series of videos for Alltech, for David Alltech.
That was because we put the LEDs in, and on these games they'll flicker. Before they came out with that board, I used to put resistors across all the lamp sockets, which would take hours. And that's all that board does. It just ties a load on the line, so it allows the LED to fully shut off. Otherwise, they'll ghost or they'll flicker, or they won't completely shut off. So, so we just put that board in now that they came out with that. It makes it.
Now, Frank, they may now make some even though they say non-ghosting, it doesn't mean that they're non-ghosting. Believe me. They may make some LEDs that actually do non-ghost, and you can use the old lamp driver board. It's it's hit and miss.
So Frank, if you then put in that board, what is going to be the impact of running incandescents after that?
I've never tried it, so I don't know. Just disconnect. But if you're going to put incandescents back in, just pull that power plug back off.
Yeah, I would think the incandescents would work fine.
Yeah.
As an aside, you can use the original board. There's a resistor board that you can add.
That's correct.
And that works perfectly.
We experimented with somebody who made a board that plugged into the connectors, little boards that plugged into the 3-edge connectors, and you plug this into it. But some of them never worked, and they never figured out what the problem was. I don't know whatever happened to those boards that we were testing. We test a lot of stuff for people. We were testing the LEDs for Shuffle Alleys for almost a year before Marco actually produced those Shuffle Alley LED displays. He wanted to make sure they were going to hold up. We left the game on for a whole year. We tested them for a year, and they did. We tried different things. We were testing ski bowl display now for one man that's making them out. I don't think he's here at the show, but KAHR.
No, I think he's out there. He's not
out
the
there?
main.
Okay.
He's not the main vendor hall.
Yeah, he makes that great little board if you're having reset problems on your WPC and you're kind of lazy and you don't want to change the bridge rectifiers, and you just plug that little board in for 40 bucks and boom, your problem is probably solved. Not all the time, but probably. You probably got a 85–90% chance you'll solve your reset problems on the WPCs.
Thanks.